Ready!
Hello.
May play. Pasok.
Gutierrez,
Kevin.
Gutierrez, 2 points.
Outside! Mga kumatagaan ko dyan. Gutierrez again! Number 10! Number 10. May laro. Diretso mo, Kevin! Number 10!
Kevin Durant.
Voice man, no?
6.
Wala na. Tick! Foul!
28.
Number 28, foul! Foul, number 28.
Dito, sa tapat niya.
Hanggang 5 foul lang, ano? Penalty lang. Wala. Pasa. Foul! Number 2, foul!
Yeah. Score 6-2. 6-0.
Score 6-0. First quarter. Oh, 42. Kevin, number 10. Kevin. Outside.
Stop.
Black ball. Kevin again, number 10.
Hoy, Gary, sino lalabas?
Hindi lalabas.
Wala.
Kasap ka? Okay.
Mamaya pag-foul.
Diyak lang. Kevin pa rin, number 10. Last 6 minutes, white 2, black 12. Nice, 22.
Saba?
Good job, 22.
Sino lalabas? Sino lalabas?
Sige bay, labas na bay. Number 5, palitan mo si number 9. Oh, 22! Damian! Gutierrez!
Time out.
Time out.
Makashoot ha. Good pa. Time out.
Time out.
Foul,
Time out.
number 22.
Foul number
22.
22. 22, sino yun? Paul.
Ito.
Meron daw, Paul.
Ay, hindi, sa...
Paul yung 22. Black. Time out. Yung balik time out. Black o white? Black. 5 minutes. White 2. Black 16.
Wah!
Uy, ganda.
Hawak!
4 minutes. 4 minutes. White 2. Black 16. Black ball. Outside. Blue.
Good morning ako, Ben.
Yeah. Ano ba yun?
Baba!
White team ball. Road. 24. White team road. Ano? Magpugulit. Gulating manoy. Foul. White.
Jeff,
Jeff. Number 7.
ilang foul na yung ano? White team.
White team foul. Number 7.
Ilang foul na sila?
Isa pa lang.
Team foul, isa pa lang?
Isa pa lang. Yung sa white.
Dalawa?
Number si Jeff.
7.
7. Kaya bumibili. Number 9. 1 point. Number 9. 2 fouls na yung white ha. 2 fouls na. Number 9 ha. Itim.
Okay na yun, 17.
2 fouls na yung ano. Last 2 minutes and 40 seconds. White 4. Black 17. Number 20.
2 fouls na yung white.
Black. Number 20.
Pasok yan! Hawak! Oras! Gamit ko oras! Pasa!
Last 2 minutes. White 4. Black 19. Last 2 minutes. Team score.
Sapol ka!
Dala. Time out. Number 7.
Count natin, wala na total. 21, tama. Dito.
Black ball. Road. 21.
Ayun ka.
Last 50 seconds.
Paray pang NBA, pang NBA.
Last 40 seconds.
Boxing na yan ah.
Number 3, foul.
Ayan. Diretso oras ha.
23.
23.
Foul.
Time out.
Team White, warning for delaying the game ha. Kanina apat na sila, tapos ngayon ay pumasok sa nila. So warning for delaying the game. Ano may lista mo doon para pag panalawa?
White team, warning.
Tapos,
Delaying the game.
Warning.
Warning, warning.
Oras.
Oras, tumatakbo.
sabi nila, running time daw eh.
Running time, running time.
Running time kahit nag-free throw.
Hindi, stop.
Ito po lang. 3 seconds.
Ilang seconds sa kanila?
Asa tuloy-tuloy lang. Kahit nag-free throw.
3 seconds. 2, 1, 0.
End of the first quarter.
End of the first quarter. White 8, Black 21.
Tubig.
Game na. Back to the ball game. White. Black. White. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kulang yung white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Oras.
Oh, start na.
Road number 24. White team.
Grabe na tayo.
Road again, number 24.
Dahan lang.
Nice. Nice shot.
Wow, hawak.
Ramil. Nice, number 23. Black. 8 minutes, white 12, black 23.
Meron pa isa pa.
8 minutes,
26.
26. Foul. Number 26, foul.
Five foul penalty, di ba?
Good. Ay, lukang.
Pwede natin tuloy.
Okay, number 7, 1 point. In free throw.
Tapang ilaw, men. Tapang ilaw.
Damian, number 22. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. White 13, black 25. Oh! Silverio! Hernandez. Ramil. Number 8. 2 points. Malayo pa. 6 minutes. Foul. Number 5. Number 5 holding. Sub.
Oh, lang white ah.
White team sub.
Oh, yung white sino?
Free throw by black team.
Number 5. Dalawa na ito ah.
Pag time out, running time pa rin.
Hindi. Stop. Free throw stop din. White ball outside. Dali.
Parang ano.
Last 5 minutes. Good. Time out. Number 24. 24. Time out. Quarter. 5 minutes and 46 seconds. Okay, game.
Ramil!
Stepping the line, Kevin. Number 10. Stepping the line. Oh, chance. Outside. Outside the ball. Yes. Yeah, number 10.
Number 10.
Saba, pag ano.
4 minutes and 30 seconds. White 15, black 27. Outside. Black ball.
Sub.
Wow. Sub. Stop. Ready. Kemarin dia pakai tembok. White team. Traveling. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. White 15, black 27.
Labas. Lagyan mo buhay yung mag-announce, walang buhay-buhay eh.
Pagod ako, wala naman ako pagod. Ayun.
Lintian gid, binasagid kaya ano gid, damyan gid. Damyan gid.
Wano in the ball. Kevin, Wano. White team ball.
Wala. And one.
Foul? 23 foul. 23 foul. Time out.
Time out muna, marami kayong time out.
Time out.
Oh, marami kayong time out.
Black team, time out.
Napaka-intense ng laro nyo.
2 minutes and 26 seconds.
Ang laro nyo, lahat kayo seryoso.
White 15, black 27.
Iparakis pa yung ano eh.
2 minutes and 26 seconds.
Pahe.
Free throw. Free throw by Ramil.
Kasi walang problema yan. Schedule natin. Ang nakakalaban.
Oh, Ramil, 1 point for
Ramil.
free throw. Free throw, number 8. One on the ball, 23. Last 2 minutes. White 16, black 27. In 2 minutes. Foul. Number 23, foul.
Third personal foul.
Third personal foul.
Number 23.
Number 23. Yan, dapat na ganyan. Tara. Ramil again, free throw. Oh, ah. Outside. Black ball. 1 minute and 10 seconds. White 16, black 27. 1 minute. Erwin. Damian. Oh, wala. Outside. White ball.
50 seconds.
48 seconds. Foul. Number 10, foul.
10. Foul.
Ilan na yun?
First personal foul.
First personal foul.
White.
Dumatak yung oras.
Fourth team foul. Apat na sa
Free throw, number 24. White 16, black 27 in 31 seconds. First period. 31 seconds left. Number 5, outside. Black ball.
10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, end of the game.
End of the first game. White 16.
Oh, game.
Back to the ball game. Second game. Oh, naka-first period pa rin
third
to.
quarter na.
Naka-first period. Second, ano na.
Beginning of the third quarter.
Beginning of the second quarter.
Ito nga.
White 16, black 27.
Puta, magkano kaya bayad ni Alpine dito?
Alto. Magaling na commentator ko.
Yung period, naka, ano pa rin, naka 1.
Mapusisi, pati. Mapusisi.
Game ball.
Third quarter na yan, ha?
Second game.
Third na.
Ah, third?
Quarter.
Eh, naka-ano pa rin
Kaya
dito
ano
eh.
yung period niya?
Third game na, no?
Third game na.
Okay, third game. Outside.
Acho, the curve!
Baguhin mo ato to. Third na.
O para pag na-picturean, makikita sa ano. Yan. Third period.
Daming request.
Hunakas.
Hoy!
Hunakas. Tumablay.
Ito.
Oh, number 7.
Kunti na lang! Let's go!
White 18, black 27. In 8 minutes and 40 seconds.
Nag-shoot sa energy! Nakashoot. Yung puti ulit. Ano ka kami?
Ano?
Shot lock kaya tayo.
Stop mamaya.
Pagka-shoot yung puti.
Okay.
Nice tol!
Nice, 26, tall.
Black.
Yung papalitan mo. Ado. Stop, Erwin, labas. Bado, pasok.
Quick yung ano ah.
Yeah, bola, nasa likod nyo. White team. Yan, pasok. Anga kayo eh.
Ano kayo eh?
Babae man. Sabda ba? Sige.
Good. Oh, good shot.
Sab.
Number 7. Number 5. Number 5. 3 points by Tol.
Hawak! Good job!
Good. Pass break. Oh, outside.
Push foul.
22 foul. Sub. White team, sub. Iman, labas.
Yung white team wala pang foul, di ba? Team pa lang, no?
Sub. Number 5. Iman, pasok. Sino ba papasok? Okay na? Okay.
Sabay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Ready.
Buon sa'yo.
Last 6 minutes. White 20, black 31. Third quarter.
Wala.
Wala tumatawag eh. Wait lang.
Traveling.
Mahinang mata.
Play. Aha. Chris.
Counted foul. Counted, ah.
Counted. Holding foul number 9. Counted. Pwesto.
Foul.
Foul again. Number 10. Kevin. Second personal foul.
Number 10.
Number 10. Stop. Stop. Injury. Nasundot yung mata.
Ayan. Hit talaga yan.
Sayang. Dol.
Oh, foul. Traveling.
Hindi ko pwede basahin. Ay, di ko
Kevin, tumablay. Kevin again. Tumablay. White team ball. White team ball. Ramil. Outside. White ball. 4 minutes. White 20, black 33. In 4 minutes. Oh! What a shot!
Dahan-dahan na kayo, wala na kayong team.
Foul number 10.
Third personal foul.
Third personal foul.
Third team foul.
Third team foul.
Third personal foul.
Foul third.
Foul. Number 9.
Foul again, number 9, black team. Chris.
14 foul. 14 foul. 14 foul.
Fourth foul, number 9.
First lang.
Fourth. Huh?
Fourth personal foul.
14 foul. 14 foul. Isang foul na lang. Isang foul na lang.
Hey, number 44. Time out. Mape-penalty ganyan. Kung nakusin nyo. Unatas. Si Pinasa. Pinasa ulit. Unatas. Unatas. Number 20. Yes. Number 14. Itinira ng number 14. 44. 44. White 20, black 39. 2 minutes and 30 seconds in third quarter. Hindi yun.
Matikas ka talaga.
Wala kompleto. Wow! What happened?
Double.
Hey!
Ball.
Hey! Aywa!
Wala, black team.
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Black ball.
Gamit ng oras.
Oh! Number 9, Chris.
Mula!
White 20, black 41 in 1 minute and 35 seconds. Whoa, number 7. Number 7. 1, 3, ah? Hindi ko alam eh.
Wala, tinanggal nila eh.
Oh, Chris! Counted? Head to the head. Foul number 5.
Third personal foul na yan, ha? Number 5. Third personal na yan.
Second team foul ng White.
Ready, free throw.
Wow.
40 seconds. Outside, foul. 42, foul. 42, 34 seconds. White 22, black 43. 43, black. 22, white. Pumasok? Oh, na kita eh. Number 9.
May available pa ba tayo?
Number 7. Ano?
34 seconds.
34 seconds. Outside. 34 seconds. White 22, black 44.
21.
In 30 seconds. Foul!
Oh, penalty na. Penalty.
Number 9, graduate! Yay!
Penalty.
Penalty.
Penalty?
Penalty.
Penalty. Number 9, penalty.
Huwag mo baka pahila.
Hindi pa. Sorry, mali.
Dalawa.
Dalawa lang. Pero penalty na kayo.
Mulat ko eh.
Wrong. Mali yung pagkarinig ko. 21 seconds. White 22, black 44.
Wala.
20 seconds. 19.
Outside, white ball.
15 seconds. 13.
30 seconds, 12 seconds, 11 seconds, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of the third game. White 22, black 44.
Ayan, Hinga! Break! Hinga!
Last game. White 22, black 44. Okay, game. Oh, what the shot! Number 7.
Alin. Some are great, but some are few. Others lie with songs of the fool.
Wala tayo ng tubig. Wala ng pera.
Some to sing. Others to the guitar string. Some are
Aha! Outside. White ball. White ball.
yeah.
Oh, bola! Likod!
Every naman.
Oh, wow!
Say goodbye, me and you take it slide, take it slow. Take a look in the kaleidoscope, make a round, take a thrill. In this
Wow, what the shot? No! Wow! Foul! Number 24, foul!
24.
oh, white.
White.
24. Sila na.
Number 24.
Doon ha?
Dalawa lang.
Dalawa.
8 minutes and 50 seconds. White 24, black 44. 8 minutes.
14.
Oh, wow.
Oh, bakit yan?
Wala tayo. Wala tayo. Patuloy mo na malaki lalim mo.
Shot lock, 10 seconds.
Black 10 seconds. Black ball. 8 minutes. White 24, black 44. Wow, outside. Black ball. Wala. 7 minutes and 40 seconds. 23-44. Erwin. 3 seconds. Oh,
Ben.
white ball, Ramil.
Bigas.
Number 7.
Wala talaga ayaw pumasok.
Play.
Oh, diretso.
Diretso. 28. Hunatas. Number 28. 7 minutes.
May bawi.
And 1 minute and 1 second. White 24, black 46. Black ball.
Sayaw, sayaw. Commentator, sayaw. Yan.
Yan,
Yan, ganyan.
Oh! Number 7! Good job! Number 7. 6 minutes and 22 seconds. White 24, black 46.
27 na yung ano ah. White.
Ah,
7 na.
27 na yan.
Hindi lang gumana.
46 dito eh. 48?
48.
Okay.
48 white din ang score sa'yo.
27. Dapat ito.
Kapit tayo
Oh,
27.
foul! Number
Gagano.
number 2? 22. Foul number 22. Damian.
Pagkapawis na lang.
27 na yung anong yan ah. Di ba?
27.
Alin?
Ang white.
27 na?
Oh, 27. Okay. White 27, black 48. 5 minutes and 59 seconds.
Go.
Thank you para... Pumasok? Wala pa.
Wala pa. Oh, bad job.
Like.
Wow! Number 7. Free throw. Alright, 5 minutes and 50 seconds. White 28, black 48.
Okay. Last shot.
Natas. Whoa. White ball. 5 minutes and 34 seconds. Road number 24.
Ano kayo Rod ah? 30 na yan. 30 na. 19. 14 seconds shot. 10 seconds shot.
Shot clock, 10 seconds, 9, 8. Oh.
Hawak.
Tiba nila nila.
Tatak din sa pera.
Oh, road 24. Time out. Black.
Yes.
Ito na.
Foul number 20.
Ilan na yung
Black,
team
black.
foul nila? Ilan team
5 minutes and 1 second. White 32. Black
Ilan yan?
48.
Ilan lamang?
White, 1 quarter.
Hindi ko alam.
16.
Ilan lamang? 16 ng lamang.
Kaya pa yan, Rabin.
White 32. Black 48.
Tubig.
Bye! Okay. Back to the ball game. 5 minutes and 1 second. Fourth quarter. White 32. Black 48. Free throw.
Bonus shot.
Bonus shot. White. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Grabe.
Kulang yung white. 1, 2.
Yeah, red na.
Okay. Foul.
Hindi naman sinasadya, rep. Grabe ka.
Wala bang sorry, rep?
Bawal mag-sorry.
Oh!
Grabe
Traveling!
Yeah, nice, rep.
Rod! Oh! Black ball! 4 minutes and 39 seconds. 4 minutes and 39 seconds. Damian! Number 22.
Sa ulo.
50, kalahati. 50-32.
Oh,
Shot clock, 10 seconds.
That's lang. Bado on the drive. Tira mo na Bado. Sablay Bado. Hop.
Number, apat na yung foul niya na, number
Number
5.
5, Hawi. Foul.
Apat na foul niyan.
Or apat na foul mo.
Personal foul, number 5.
Ulang ka pa ng isa. Sige, laro lang. Game. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. 32. White. Black 50. Hunatas. Number 28. Hunatas.
Diretso.
Recho. Oh, outside. Black ball. Black ball. 3 minutes and 49 seconds. 32. Sa white. Black 52.
Aggressive.
Ready?
Oh, nagaan nyo. Talo na kayo.
Diretso lang.
Kevin. Number 10. Number 5. Number 8. Oh, Ramil. Number 8.
34 na yung white.
34 na yung white.
That's
4.
54. 3 minutes and 35 seconds.
Shot lock.
Shot clock.
5.
Damian. Number 22. Oh, nangyari. Black ball. Three minutes and 25 seconds. White 34, black 56. Game. Hunata. Oh, outside. Black ball. Oh. 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Hunatas again. 28. White 34, black 60.
Ang ginayos na kapawasok.
Pasok ba?
36. Oh, pasok. 36.
Ha? Pasok. Okay, good. Number 7.
Ha?
Last 2 minutes. White 38, black 60. 83. Okay, Bigay!
Sige, tuloy lang.
Oras natin ay 1 minute and 40 seconds. White 38, black 60.
3 seconds. 3
Not
seconds.
counted. Not counted.
3 seconds.
Again, number 7. Yes! Number 7. 40-60. 40-60. 1 minute and 15 seconds.
Dos lang.
Palo! Oh,
57 seconds.
57 seconds. White
Pumasok ba?
40,
Wala.
black 60. 50 seconds. White 42, black 60. 40 seconds.
Grabe si Bado, best player.
30 seconds.
Ay, naku.
White 42, black 62. 20 seconds.
Sakto.
30 seconds. 10.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Pakita
Five.
dito sa baba.
4, 3, 2, 1. End of the game.
Support ako.
Fourth game, white 42, black 64. Wow, 64.
Yung total. Ah, cellphone.
Oh, 42-64.
Teka, pipicturean ko.
Baba score game ah. Mahigpit yung labanan.
Jump. Picture mo na dyan.
Galing mo eh.
Ah.
Kulang na eh.
Ay, Gary!